Hey, I'm TJ Schwanke. I'm one of the presenters down here at the Calgary Boat and Sportsman Show, and a lot of people don't know that the Sportsman Show is actually a non-profit organization, and all the money from the show goes back into hunting, fishing, boating, quadding, things like that right here in Canada. Shows have actually been around since 1948, and I love being at this show. It's it's cold outside, it's still winter, but we bring the outdoors indoors here, and we've got everything you could possibly want as an outdoorsman or woman. And we've got fishing. I'm standing by the presentation pool here, and we've got professional anglers, hunters, game wardens, everything doing talks here all day long. And you can definitely learn a lot about fishing, hunting right here in Alberta. We've got one of the best chainsaw carvers in Canada with us here, and he's doing chainsaw carving demonstrations. We've got lots of stuff for the kids to do. That's really the great part about it. We've got a kids fishing pool. We've got Alberta Hunter Education here. We've got a bunch of interactive displays for the kids, things like that. So just lots of things. And of course, if you want to see the best in fishing and skiing boats, this is the absolute place to come.
Oh, yeah, drinking?
He likes the stuff. First one, picked them up. I just pour himself a bottle of Thomas and